Welcome to this Curious Orbit Explainer. Today, we're pointing our telescopes toward the ultimate cosmic hypothetical. Just imagine looking up at the night sky completely unaware that an invisible, unstoppable force is quietly drifting through the interstellar void, and it's heading straight for our cosmic neighborhood. Now, most black holes are extremely far away from Earth, safely locked in the distant reaches of the galaxy. But what if one wandered directly into our solar system? The stakes literally couldn't be higher, and the science behind what would actually unfold is absolutely wild.
It's the absolute most terrifying and, honestly, most relatable question we can ask. If this dark behemoth crossed our threshold, would our blue planet just be instantly swallowed whole, vanishing into the abyss without a trace?
And what about our star? Would the immense, blinding power of the sun be enough to hold its ground, or would it just be completely overpowered and destroyed by this wandering anomaly? Or are we looking at a much wider catastrophe? With the very fabric of our entire solar system, that delicate gravitational dance that's kept our planets in balance for billions of years, just be completely torn apart? The truth behind these questions is fascinating and, completely terrifying. Okay, let's dive into this. Part 1. The ultimate cosmic mystery, the physics of the invader. So, we all know a black hole is basically the incredibly dense remnant of a collapsed star. But in this scenario, the crucial factor isn't just its mass, it's the extreme curvature of spacetime it brings along for the ride. It packs such a staggering amount of mass into an infinitely small point that the gravitational well it creates becomes the ultimate cosmic trap. Once you're past the event horizon, not even light has the escape velocity to break free. Now, if you've watched enough sci-fi movies, you probably picture black holes as these giant cosmic vacuum cleaners, just aggressively sucking up everything in the galaxy. But the scientific reality is a lot more nuanced than that. Black holes do not automatically inhale their surroundings. Their immense gravitational pull is highly localized. You literally have to get remarkably close, past that event horizon, to be pulled in irreversibly. Outside of that localized zone, it just exerts gravity, much like a very massive, albeit invisible star. Part 2. The first warning signs, or detecting the invisible. Because black holes don't emit any light, we wouldn't see it coming in a traditional sense. Instead, we'd feel its mechanical power. Decades out, astronomers would likely start detecting some really strange, unexplainable movements in distant comets, way out at the very edge of the Oort cloud, as the black hole's gravity begins pulling at them. Then, years out, the orbits of the outer planets, like Neptune and Uranus, would begin to slightly alter and wobble. Finally, just months out, scientists would connect all the data and confirm the terrifying reality. An unusual, massive, and entirely invisible object is rapidly approaching us. Part 3. Solar System in Chaos. A cosmic battlefield. With a massive gravitational bully just crashing through the neighborhood, the asteroid belt and all those distant icy bodies in our system would be completely disrupted. Asteroids and comets would be thrown in every conceivable direction, slingshotted by the black hole's immense gravity. The likelihood of catastrophic planetary collisions would absolutely skyrocket. The space around us would quite literally turn into a chaotic cosmic battlefield, with massive space rocks hurtling through the dark like shrapnel. Part 4. Will the sun survive? The ultimate standoff. So, will it survive? Well, it's not a simple yes or no. The exact outcome heavily depends on the black hole's size and its specific trajectory. In a safe distance scenario, if the black hole just kind of skirts the outer edges of our system, the sun might remain entirely intact, holding on to its inner planets despite all the turbulence. But in a close encounter scenario, say it passes near the inner solar system, its gravity could overpower the sun's. It could strip away the planets, siphon off the sun's outer layers of plasma, and just completely disrupt the entire system as we know it. Part 5. The fate of Earth. Enormous challenges. So what about us? The good news is Earth would likely not be instantly swallowed. But the bad news? Life as we know it would face absolutely enormous challenges. As the black hole's gravity pulls at us, Earth's orbit would become highly unstable. We could be pulled closer to the sun, causing the planet to become dangerously hot, literally boiling away our oceans. Conversely, we could be pushed much further away, plunging the Earth into a permanent frozen ice age. And in the most extreme yet scientifically plausible scenario, the gravitational slingshot effect could eject Earth completely out of the solar system, sending our frozen planet hurtling into the pitch-black abyss of deep space as a rogue planet.
While a black hole entering our solar system would undoubtedly be one of the most dramatic and devastating events imaginable, we really have to remember our core scientific takeaway today. Black holes are incredibly powerful, but they are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They follow the strict laws of gravity. And most importantly, you can breathe a huge sigh of relief. As of right now, with all our advanced telescopes constantly scanning the skies, there is no known black hole heading our way. We are perfectly safe in our little corner of the galaxy.
But, the universe is vast, and the possibilities are practically endless. So I want to turn this over to you. What do you think would happen first if a black hole actually entered our solar system? Let us know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed diving into this incredible scientific hypothetical today, make sure to subscribe to Curious Orbit for more science mysteries and cosmic discoveries. Until next time, keep looking up.